If your AWeber subscribers are stuck in a pending status, it can be frustrating and a little confusing when you're just trying to build your email list. In this video, I'll break down the most common reasons why your AWeber subscribers might be pending, what that means for your campaigns, and how to get them into your list so you can start emailing them. First off, it's important to understand that AWeber uses a double opt-in process by default. This means subscribers need to confirm their email address before they're fully added to your list. Until they click that confirmation link, they'll remain pending. So, if you've noticed a lot of pending subscribers, it may simply be that they haven't completed that second step yet. Another reason this can happen is that your confirmation email may not be reaching their inbox. If it's landing in the spam folder or they're not seeing it, your subscribers won't know they need to confirm. To address this, check your confirmation message for anything that might trigger spam filters and ensure it's clear and recognizable. Consider asking them to check their promotions or spam folders just in case. Next, if your list is old or you're importing subscribers, some email providers won't recognize the addresses you're sending from. This can cause deliverability issues, which means your confirmation email never arrives. In this case, consider verifying that the addresses you're using are valid and that you're sending from a domain you own. Also, confirm that the subscribers were genuinely interested in receiving your content when you first acquired their email addresses. It's also worth noting that if your sign-up form is too complicated or unclear, people may hesitate to confirm. A simple, straightforward form can increase the number of people who follow through and confirm their subscription. Finally, keep in mind that some people simply won't confirm, no matter what. They might have second thoughts or lose interest, and that's okay. Focus on improving your opt-in process and providing clear, valuable content up front, so you attract subscribers who genuinely want to hear from you. To wrap up, while there's no guaranteed way to eliminate all pending subscribers, optimizing your opt-in process, ensuring your emails are deliverable, and improving your sign-up form can significantly reduce the number of people who never confirm. If you're tired of dealing with these issues, consider trying out other email marketing tools that make the confirmation process easier or even allow single opt-in. We've linked an exclusive, extended free trial below to help you get started. Through our link, you'll also find other great alternatives that might fit your goals better, all with their own free trials.